Hey you guys, it's Miss Journey 93 and today I did like a super fun tutorial and I don't know, it's just like blues and purples. I don't know, I'll probably have a name for it by the time I upload it. But this is what it looks like. I don't know. I'm not one to wear like bright, well I used to wear bright makeup out, but this is actually kind of cute and I wear glasses so it kind of hides behind it, but anyways, I just straighten my hair. If you guys want a tutorial on how I straighten my hair, I will do that for you guys. But yeah, this is the look that I created. Let me zoom in for you guys so you can see me. It just looks like that. And then there's just like a pop of color for the lips or whatever, and a stained cheek, and you'll see what that is. But yeah, if you'd like to see how I completed this look, just keep on watching.